Hi honeys! Good morning! Ngayon ay pupunta kami ng GB to celebrate the Valentine's Day.
Hello!
Hi!
Whoa!
Angry! Why so? Yung first stop na pinuntahan namin is to eat some light thing, and then we're going to massage to relax ourselves, my family and Andy family, and which is miss so very little lang cause we miss each other. See, tingnan mo yung bibig ng mama ko is very chukatib talaga kasi nagkikinig kami sa chest mask niya, pati yung kapatid ko diba, concentrate. So yun, pagkatapos nito mag-massage lang kami. And after the good massage in Ansana, we're going to dinner, buffet, and the hotel. At sa mga oras ito, as natutulog na si Shafixi na.
Kopi pe. You drink kopi pe? No, I don't drink kopi pe. What do you drink? Coffee.
Dongs. And this time we reach in the hotel and chibugan na. So we finding the way going to the buffet one, and see, nabasa pa ako niyan kasi nagpunta ako sa CR, tapos nilagay ko yung bag ko doon sa wet pala siya, tapos sinoksok ko siya, tapos na rub sa aking dito, diba? O ngayon, nag-fun na lang siya para magmala siya. Very sorry, decide.
Oh.
He's screaming so loud. No? Okay. Hi.
Hi. They have oyster. Oyster. One packs 188 RMB. Also. Soup. Your favorite? Ma, your favorite? Ma, this is your favorite, Ma? You have soup right there. Chicken.
讲它有外面的外面那边的。
Excuse me, sir.
Lama nasi putih sini lah, kalah lah, kalah habis lah.
Kita ini disusul from kedai dan pakai sos. Ma.
So that's it, pansit. Natapos din yung buong araw namin na maligaya kami. So happy heart day. And thank you for watching. And see you for my next vlog. And don't forget to share this video. Baka ikaw na ang maswerteng mabigyan ng Gcash. So what are you waiting for? Like, comment, and subscribe for this channel and my page.